Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing devices so pairing works smoothly. Put the watch on its charger and make sure battery is above 50%. This prevents interruptions. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and sign into your Apple ID. Once done, grant health and fitness permissions so data flows between devices. This matters because workouts and metrics need continuous access. Tap Start Pairing and hold the watch in view of the iPhone camera to begin automatic setup. You now focus on the app and account settings that deliver meaningful tracking. Install or update the fitness app on the watch, then in the Watch app choose the watch face and complications you want for quick metrics. Make sure activity, workout, and health integration are enabled so heart rate, steps, and workouts sync. Set your move, exercise, and stand goals to realistic targets. Adjusting goals calibrates calorie estimates. Finally, allow workout and activity notifications so prompts and summaries appear when you need them. You finish by calibrating sensors and verifying settings so results are accurate. Take a 20-minute outdoor walk or run with GPS and carry your iPhone to calibrate pace and stride. Calibration improves distance and calorie accuracy. Confirm wrist detection, dominant wrist setting, and heart rate frequency in the Watch app to ensure consistent readings. If things go wrong, restart both devices, repair the watch, and recheck health and fitness permissions. This resolves most sync and sensor issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.